to show you how to expand 3 sets of brackets. So in this question it says x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2. So when you see brackets next to each other like this, it means multiplication. Now it doesn't matter in which order you expand the brackets, although I usually work from left to right, okay? So I'm going to start by expanding, multiplying out these 2 brackets here. Okay, so if I do that, I'm going to take the first term here, x, and multiply it with x, which is x squared. Then I'm going to multiply x with negative 3, which is negative 3x. Then I'm going to take the number 4 here and multiply it with x, which is positive 4x. And then multiply 4 with negative 3, which is negative 12. Now, when you write that answer down, make sure you pop it inside brackets, because in a minute we need to multiply that answer with the final bracket here, 3x plus 2, okay? Now, before I start multiplying again, I'm just going to simplify what's inside the first bracket so that I have less multiplying to do, okay? So when we simplify, the x squared term stays the same, but we can add together these similar terms. Negative 3x plus 4x is plus 1x, okay? So just plus x. And the negative 12 stays as it is, okay? Not forgetting to put brackets around that. Okay, now, when we expand this first bracket with the second bracket, remember you're multiplying every single term in this bracket with every single term in the second bracket, okay? So I'm going to start by multiplying x squared with 3x, so that's 3x cubed. Then I'm going to take that first term again, x squared, and multiply it with 2, so that's positive 2x squared. Then I'm going to take the term here, x, and multiply it with 3x, which is 3x squared. Then we're going to take that same term and multiply it with positive 2, which is positive 2x. And then we take the negative 12, nearly finished. So negative 12 multiplied by 3x is negative 36x. And last but not least, negative 12 multiplied by positive 2 is negative 24. Okay, so we've done all our multiplying. Notice how I did 6 multiplications there, okay, and I have 6 terms here, which I now need to simplify, okay? So for the last step, I can see I've got one x cubed term, so that one stays the same, so 3x cubed. Now I can collect the x squared terms, so we have 2x squared plus 3x squared, which is positive 5x squared, so plus 5x squared. Next, we can simplify the x terms here. So we've got 2x, take away 36x, which is negative 34x. And then we have this last term here, negative 24, which just remains the same.